and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to teach you how to make white bean soup or Sarupkari, a traditional recipe of Konkani cuisine. So let's get started. Take 2 cups of white beans, rinse and soak it in water overnight. Then pressure cook for 15 minutes after first whistle and transfer the cooked beans to a vessel. Check the lentils. It should be well cooked and soft. Mash slightly and make sure that most of the beans retain their shape. Add around 2 glasses of water. Add 2 to 3 slit green chillies, 1 teaspoon crushed garlic, 2 to 3 cloves, 2 star fruits roughly cut. I am adding star fruit here. You can also add bimbli, raw mango pieces, which gives a very special flavor. If not, you can proceed without it. Add 1 tablespoon rock salt. Keep it on medium flame and bring it to a boil. Stirring in between, simmer for 10 minutes. Now, in a tempering pan, heat 1 teaspoon ghee. Add 10 to 12 cloves of garlic, crushed. See to that you crush all the cloves or else it might pop on your face. Fry till golden brown. Now add it to the bean soup and cover it for a minute. Ta-da! And our yummy bean soup is ready. It's very quick, simple and easy. So do try it home. You can serve it with rice or you can just have it as it is. It's very healthy and nutritious too. So do try it home and leave your comments below. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon below. Thanks for watching.